How to remove a ban in TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to try and remove a ban from your TikTok account and get back to posting. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. Before doing anything, you need to know why your account was banned. Open TikTok and check your notifications. TikTok usually sends a message explaining the reason for the ban. If you violated their community guidelines, it could be for reasons like spam, inappropriate content, or other policy violations. If you think it was a mistake, you can appeal. Sometimes TikTok gives you an easy way to appeal right away. Go to your profile page and check for an appeal button. You might also find the appeal option in the ban notification. If you received it, open it and follow the instructions. Explain why the ban was a mistake. If you don't see an appeal button, don't worry. Let's move to the next step. If the appeal button isn't available, you can do it manually. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Support, then tap on Help Center. In the search bar, type Account Ban or Appeal Ban. Find the most relevant result and follow the steps TikTok provides. If the Help Center doesn't work, you can contact TikTok support directly. Look for TikTok's contact form in the Help Center. You can also email legal@tiktok.com or support@tiktok.com with subject Account Ban Appeal. In your message, explain the situation clearly. Include your TikTok username, why you believe the ban was a mistake, and attach any proof that support your case. The more details you provide, the better your chances of getting unbanned. TikTok's review process can take time, so check your email regularly for updates. Avoid spamming support with multiple appeals. It could slow things down. That's it. Now you know how to appeal a TikTok ban and hopefully get your account back. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.